So, if you've ever been curious about this AI art generation fiasco thing and what all's going on with it, and if you're being left behind, you are. If you're an artist and you're not into it yet, this video is for you. It's going to be super, super short. Don't worry about it in like 5 minutes. And we're just going to talk about why ChatGPT is the place to start. I pay for Midjourney. I love it. I'm a huge Midjourney fan. I think it generates better images. I think the photo quality images they have are totally amazing. Yes, Midjourney all the way. But if you're just getting into it, ChatGPT is the way to go. And I'm going to show you why on the iPad. So if that sounds interesting to you, if you're an artist who's just curious about this kind of stuff, or if you're a tattoo artist who wants to learn how to talk to a machine and see who your competitors are going to be in the future, this video is for you, folks. I'm Clay, the Techie Tattooer, and it's time to get to the iPad. All right, so here we are in a fresh Chat GPT. I mean, I guess I could show you guys how to like sign up for this, but it's really, really easy. You just download the app on your phone, click on it, just log in with Google and just go for it. It's like nothing. So the reason, and this is why the video is going to be so short, it's one reason. You can talk to Chat GPT and iterate, right? Like let's say, please draw a American traditional eagle tattoo I can use as a shoulder tattoo for a client. Please make sure to use basic browns, blacks, yellows, reds, and blues. Yeah, you know what? Forget it. Let's just see what that does. Let's just see what it gives us. Why not? That's good enough. All right, here we go. It's going to take a minute because ChatGPT is getting overwhelmed with all the people generating photos and stuff like that. But, let's see what happens. All right, so this is what ChatGPT got us. That's actually not that bad. That's kind of cool. No, I mean, this little spear on the tip of the thing is all, and this is like a gingham tablecloth, and there's issues here. The wings are so incredibly small, and this thing is coming out of his shoulder, and the hips are all misaligned, and et cetera, et cetera. Right? We've got to take all the grains of salt when we're dealing with AI art in its current state. But trust me, it's only gonna get better. So, if this was Midjourney, you could like iterate through things, you could do all kinds of stuff, but really, you can't take an existing prompt and then just say, like we're going to do here with ChatGPT, I like that, but please remove all of the background stuff, the flag, the leaves, the stars, clouds, the explosions, and have just the eagle as it is in the photo. All right, and here we are. Let's go ahead and kind of compare these. I mean, that's pretty darn good, y'all. That's like almost like that looks like the exact same eagle to me, right? They finished off the little stubby claw there. They finished off the tail right here. I mean, this is why ChatGPT, because of this ability to iterate so cleanly and easily and just talk to it. Now, please add a classic tattoo style sun that is just a red circle in between the wings of the eagle that goes all the way down behind the eagle, but not below the feet. And please keep the circle as geometrically perfect as possible. All right. And that's what it gave us. Not bad at all. It did go below the feet, right? It did kind of, but again, it's just AI, not a big deal. We can totally go through and keep talking with this, but that's not the point of this. This is just me wanting to show you why this is the tool to go with. We can go through, I've got other Midjourney tutorials on how to prompt Midjourney and how to make that happen. Use Midjourney. It's absolutely great. But what you can get with this for free is just, it's super cool. We're going to do one last thing and then we're going to call it quits for the video. Whoops. please now turn this exact drawing into an outline only image that I can use as a tattoo stencil. Please make the lines as clean as possible and easy to read, as well as putting an outline around the red circle so that I don't have to try to freehand draw the circle on my client. All right, folks, there we are. Look at this, guys. It's a little bit messy. It's a little bit dirty, right? Because ChatGPT still doesn't do a great job about cleaning some of these images up. But come on, folks, just imagine what the future is going to hold if this is available today in the next few years. This is why I'm all about it, guys. How nice would it be if you could, in just those few prompts, have tattooable designs ready to go for your clients, like on flash days and stuff like this. This doesn't have to be for your big, giant, $1,000 back, $1,000. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, right? Like, I can't speak now because I'm getting excited and ahead of myself, but you know what I mean, folks. It doesn't have to be for your amazing big custom pieces. It can just be for your fun days. But to be able to pump out custom, one of a kind tattoos for people right there on the fly that most clients are not going to care about. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's the future. Comment below. Let me know if I'm a heretic or not, because I love the crap out of this stuff. So, yeah, anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share it with anybody who head might explode because tattoo artists are promoting AI art. I'd love to hear from you, though. You guys are great. I'll catch you guys next time.